Ready. A number of observers from the regional and international organizations will monitor the forthcoming district government elections in Pakistan. They will represent Commonwealth, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, European Union, and others. The observers will be writing their reports on the whole electoral process on the conclusion of their visits. In the past, findings of some international observers had turned out to be damaging for Pakistan and created doubts about the fairness and transparency of parliamentary elections. These organizations have started contacting the Election Commission of Pakistan about the upcoming visit and of their observers in Pakistan. The secretary told that the Election Commission would facilitate any number of international observers who wanted to come to Pakistan to witness the electoral process. He is likely to attend a 3-day Commonwealth Conference of Election Commissioners in New Delhi. The UNDP has shown interest in training polling personnel and polling agents for the local council elections for their capacity building. A two-member delegation has met the secretary and discussed assistance to the Electoral Commission of Pakistan in imparting training to the polling staff. The Commission needs financial assistance in training election personnel, including district returning officer, presiding officer, assistant presiding officer, and polling officers and voters. Education and training of polling agent for ensuring transparency of the electoral process. The Commission was engaged in giving final touches to the arrangements for the district government elections. All possible measures would be taken to make the local polls fair, free, and transparent. The Commission is organizing the local elections for the second time. Previously, its main responsibility has been holding of the elections to the national and provincial assemblies. Stop.